So let's continue with challenging questions. This is the third lecture of the series, and we are going to do today geometry challenging questions. And the question written on the board is of similarity. In triangle ABC, PQ divides triangle ABC into two equal parts having equal areas. Sec PQ is parallel to sec BC. You have to find BP upon AB. So let's draw the diagram first. So suppose this is triangle ABC, and this is PQ. Now what it is given that PQ divides triangle ABC into two equal parts having equal areas. मतलब ऊपर का जो एरिया है वो पूरे ट्राइंगल का आधा है, नीचे का जो एरिया है दैट इज अ क्वाड्रिलैटरल, दैट इज हाफ ऑफ द टोटल एरिया. हाफ total is full. Is this clear? So first I can write that I'm writing solution. First I can write that area of triangle APQ is half area of triangle ABC. This triangle's area is half of the total triangle's area. Is this clear? Once again, PQ divides the triangle into two equal parts having equal areas. मतलब जो ऊपर का ट्राइंगल है वो बड़े ट्राइंगल का आधा है. So area of triangle APQ is equal to half area of triangle ABC. I can write reason given, or you can write the first line as sec PQ divides triangle ABC into two equal parts. Therefore, area of triangle APQ is half of triangle ABC. Is this clear? First step is clear. So, can I take ABC this side? So, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle, APQ upon area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2. Yes or no? Dash 1. So area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2. This is dash 1, equation number 1. Now there are 3 steps. Whenever we solve geometry questions, we go as per the steps. There are 3 steps to solve this question. First is similarity, second is toast, and third is dividend. First is similarity. Similarity means we have to prove two triangles are similar to each other. Because these lines are parallel, then there are angles formed. That angles are called as corresponding angles. Which angles? Corresponding angles. So I am writing them directly. I am writing in triangle APQ and triangle ABC. Okay. Angle PAQ is congruent to angle BAC. Reason? Very good. Reason is common angle. Hope this is clear. Okay, one more angle, this angle and this angle. Angle APQ is congruent to angle ABC. Reason? Corresponding angles. Okay, therefore triangle APQ is similar to triangle ABC by a test of similarity. Okay. So triangles are similar to each other. The triangles are similar. Now when the triangles are similar to each other and area is given, then toast. Toast is what? Theorem of areas of similar triangle. Theorem of areas of similar triangle. Okay. So I will write therefore by toast, that is theorem of area of similar triangle, area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle ABC is equal to square of the corresponding side, ratio of the square of the corresponding side. So कौन सा side लेंगे हम लोग? AP और AB ले लेंगे. So I will write AP square upon AB square. Is this clear? First step similarity. कोई भी कर सकता है. दो ट्राइंगल ले लिया, ट्राइंगल को सिमिलर प्रूव कर दिया. कोई भी सिमिलर प्रूव कर सकता है. Second step toast. If the triangles are similar and area is given, so area of triangle upon area of triangle is equal to square ratio of the squares of the corresponding side. That is AP square upon AB square. Okay. Now, instead of writing area of triangle APQ upon ABC, can I write 1/2? क्योंकि उसका तो आंसर पहले ही मैंने निकाल लिया था ना, गिवन में दिया हुआ था 1/2. So I will write 1/2 is equal to AP square upon AB square. बराबर है. टेकिंग स्क्वायर रूट क्या आएगा? AP upon AB is equal to 1/√2. अरे बराबर है. Is this clear? So AP upon AB is 1/√2. But you need to find BP, not AP. तुमको ये वाला सेगमेंट चाहिए, ऊपर वाला सेगमेंट नहीं चाहिए. मतलब अगर AB में से you subtract AP, then you will get this. बराबर ना? So what I will do, I will write by invertendo. इन्वर्ट कर देता हूं. So I will get AB upon AP is equal to √2 upon 1. उल्टा कर दिया. अब I am using the third step, that is dividendo. By dividendo. What is dividendo? डिनोमिनेटर रहता है, ऊपर जाके क्या हो जाता है? माइनस हो जाता है. सो AB माइनस AP अपॉन AP इज इक्वल टू √2 माइनस 1 अपॉन 1. डिनोमिनेटर ऊपर जाके माइनस होएगा. तुम लोग बोलेंगे सर योर व्हाई डिड नॉट यू यूज इन्वर्टेंडो, सॉरी डिविडेंडो डायरेक्टली, बिकॉज न्यूमरेटर वाज AP एंड द डिनोमिनेटर वाज AB. डिनोमिनेटर वाज ग्रेटर देन द न्यूमरेटर. माइनस करता तो कैसे होता? तो न्यूमरेटर को बड़ा बनाना था ना. सो I took AB on the numerator and AP on the denominator. Then I subtracted it. तो मुझे बराबर से AB में से AP गया तो क्या मिलेगा? BP. BP upon AP is equal to √2 minus 1 upon 1. देखो शायद यही चाहिए क्या? नहीं. BP upon क्या चाहिए? AB चाहिए. तो डैश 2 करते हैं, इसको डैश 1 करते हैं. Now 2 3 multiplying, sorry 2 एंड 3 करते हैं. इधर लिखते हैं फ्रॉम 1. ओके. एंड मल्टीप्लाइंग इक्वेशन 2 एंड 3. 2 और 3 को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. सो यू विल गेट AP अपॉन AB इंटू BP अपॉन AP इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन √2 इंटू √2 माइनस 1 अपॉन 1. बराबर है. So AP will get cancelled. बचेगा क्या? BP upon AB is equal to √2 minus 1 upon √2. शायद वही फाइंड करना है. BP upon AB. Is this clear? Easy है. See, this is very important step. Invertendo, then dividendo, then you have to find BP upon AB ना. तो तुमको इसको इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो AP कैंसिल हो जाएगा. तो BP और AP बचेगा. Clear? This is the second question of today's lecture. Here we are supposed to prove. हाँ सब कर लो पहले. कौन था पहले खासा ये चीज? तू पुढे लवकर छड़ा. ये तो कमी येऊ. लवकर ये. चल ना चिंतन लवकर येणार रे बाबा. So this is the second question of today's lecture. Here we are supposed to prove that 1 upon x plus 1 upon z is equal to 1 upon y. To prove this, we have to first assume that AB is A, BC is B, and total of AB and BC, that is AC, is P. So I will write proof. I will write let seg AB be A, seg BC be B, and seg AC be P. Is this clear? First step is clear. Now the steps to solve this question is, first step is similarity of triangles. First step is similarity of triangles. Now when you look at the diagram, you will find that this is PAC, and this is suppose ABC, this is D, and PAC and DBC. We'll take these two triangles. In triangle PAC and triangle DBC and triangle DBC. PAC, DBC. These two triangles have a common angle that is C. Hope this is clear. वो लोग दोनों देखो ना यहां से ही जन्म लेते हैं, C से जन्म लेते हैं. एक छोटा रह जाता है, एक बड़ा बन जाता है. अरे समझ में आ रहा है क्या? That means this angle is a common angle. This angle is the common angle. So I will write angle DCB. Sorry, first we will take from PAC. Angle PCA is congruent to angle DBC. This is which angle? DCB. Sorry, DCB. This is which angle? Common angle. Is this clear? First step, common angle. Second step, 9 tie. Each 9 tie. Angle PAC is congruent to angle DBC. That is each 9 tie. Clear? Therefore, triangle PAC is similar to triangle DBC by AA test of similarity. Is this clear? First step is similarity. Very simple it is. Very simple. देखो ना, common angle and 90-90 AA test. My second step is corresponding side of similar triangles. Corresponding side लेते हैं. Corresponding side कैसे लेते हैं? बोलो. पहला PA upon DB. So I will write AP upon DB is equal to AC upon BC. AC upon BC. AC upon BC is equal to PC upon DC. But PC DC का कुछ जरूरत नहीं है. तो we are taking only two pairs. That is AP upon DB and AC upon BC. Clear है? Now instead of writing AP, I'll write reason here. Corresponding side of similar triangles. AP. What is AP? X. Okay. So AP is X. What is DB? Y. Very good. What is AC? P. What is BC? B. बराबर है? फिर से एक बार के समझ में आ गया. This is X. This is Y. X, Y. This is P and this is B. Done? Now what I will do is I will take B on one side and all the terms on the other side. So B is division here, it comes here, it will become multiplication. P, this is division, it will go there, it will become multiplication. X is multiplication, it will come here, it will become division. This is dash 1. मैंने क्या किया? मैंने B को एक साइड पे ले लिया, यहां से B को यहां लेके आ गया, ये X को नीचे, Y को ऊपर ले लिया. Is this clear? So I have stored the value of B. I have got the value of B. First step is clear. My first step is similarity, corresponding sides, cross multiply, dash 1. Similarity, corresponding sides, cross multiply, dash 1. Similarity, corresponding side, cross multiply, dash 1. Similarly, when you look at the diagram from this side, ऐसे मत देखो अभी ऐसे देखो, ऐसे. When you look at the diagram on this side, you will get two triangles. पहला RCA, DBA. Okay, so in triangle RCA and triangle DBA, two triangles. First angle congruent is 90-90. 90-90 सेम है ना, अभी जैसा किया वही स्टेप्स है. 1 2 3 4 5, 6, 7 steps. Same 7 steps. But from this side now. ये साइड से हो गया, अभी ये साइड से. बहुत इजी सम है. And it was asking board exams. तो ऐसे करना है. तो चलो पहला RC upon DB. Sorry. First let us prove that they are similar. पहला angle RCA is congruent to DBA. Reason is 90. Second angle is common angle. What is common angle? RAC or DAB. RAC is congruent to DAB. Reason common angle. Therefore triangle RCA is similar to triangle DBA by which test? A test of similarity. Yes or no? Then I can take the corresponding side RC upon BD. बराबर ना? RC upon BD is equal to AC upon AB. Reason corresponding side of similar triangles. Now instead of writing RC I can write Z upon. Instead of writing BD I can write Y. Very good. Instead of writing AC I will write P. Very good. Instead of writing AB I will write A. Very good. Okay. So take A on one side, throw all the terms on the right hand side. A नीचू इधर, Y नीचू उधर, Z ऊंचू इधर, dash. Easy or not? Easy. Very easy. Similarity, corresponding side, cross multiply. Similarity, corresponding side, cross multiply. Same thing. Same 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steps. Same है. Now what to do? Now you have to add 1 and 2. So I will write adding 1 and 2. Add them. A plus B. A plus B is equal to P Y upon X plus P Y upon Z. Is this clear? A plus B is nothing but P. A plus B is nothing but P. So I will write, instead of A plus B I will write P is equal to Py upon X, Py upon Z. Here also there is P, here also there is P, here also there is P. If I divide each term by P, all the P will get cancelled. Yes or no? So I will write dividing each term by P. So if I divide each term by P, then all P will get cancelled. I will get 1 is equal to Y upon X plus Y upon Z. अरे बराबर है. To cancel this Y also, I can divide each term by Y. So I will write dividing each term by Y. So 1 upon Y is equal to Y upon X upon Y. Y will get cancelled. That is 1 upon X plus Y will get cancelled. That is 1 upon Z. शायद यही प्रूव करना है. 1 upon Y is equal to 1 upon X plus 1 upon Z. Is this clear? This is the third question and the last question of today's lecture. Now here there are two triangles given, ABC and GEF. In that it is given that point G is a centroid. Now whenever there is a centroid, you have to understand that what is a centroid? A centroid is a point of intersection of the medians. So my first step will be construction to prepare a median AD. I will join this AD so that AD becomes a median and G is the centroid. Now when point G is the centroid, बराबर ना, on median AD. What is the property of centroid? A centroid divides a median in the ratio 2:1. In the ratio 2:1. For example, suppose this is a median and this median is suppose of 9 centimeters. So if I plot a centroid here, then this will be 6 and this will be 3. 2:1. 2:1. 2:1. That means what? That means this smaller part will be 1/3 of the larger part of the median, and this bigger part will be 2/3 of the median. Hope you understand. Hope you understand. Once again, see, let us try to understand. Suppose this is median AB and the total distance of median is suppose 3 units. So I can say that this is 3, this is 3, so this will be 2 and this will be 1. समझा क्या? अगर ये टोटल 3 है ना, तो ये 2 और ये 1 रहेगा. मतलब ये जो पार्ट है ना, छोटा पार्ट, ये पार्ट इज 1/3, एंड ये जो बड़ा पार्ट है ना, दैट इज 2/3. 3 का 2, 3 का 1. क्लियर है क्या? मीडियन सेंट्रॉइड का प्रॉपर्टी है that it divides a median in the ratio 2:1. 2:1 मतलब 2 पार्ट 3 में से, 1 पार्ट 3 में से. That means if here I can say that G is the centroid, so this part, that is GD, is 1/3 of the entire part AD. समझा गया? GD जो है ना बेटा नमन, GD is 1/3 of AD, the entire part. So I can write GD, AD which either upon AD is 1/3 dash 1. अरे समझा क्या? First use centroid property. पहले यूज करो या बाद में यूज करो स्टेप्स के बाद, इट्स ओके. 2 ही स्टेप्स का सम है, इजी है. 2 ही स्टेप का सम है. सेंट्रॉइड प्रॉपर्टी लेकिन इंपॉर्टेंट है, बिकॉज सेंट्रॉइड प्रॉपर्टी से ही सम होगा. So if AD is the median and G is the centroid, then point G, that is centroid G, divides AD in the ratio 2:1. 2:1 मतलब छोटा पार्ट जो है वो 1 है 3 में से, बड़ा पार्ट जो है वो 2 है 3 में से, छोटा पार्ट जो है वो 1 है 3 में से, बड़े पार्ट का AD का टोटल मीडियन का. So GD upon AD is 1/3. This is my first equation. Okay. Now my 2 steps that I'll be using 2 times. One is similarity and other is toast. Similarity and toast. Now look at this side. A B D G E D. This is parallel to AB. G is parallel to AB. When lines are parallel, then corresponding angles are common. And this is the common angle. दोनों ट्राइंगल देखो ना, मैंने अभी तो ऐसा ही सम सिखाया था. दोनों ट्राइंगल पॉइंट डी से जन्म लेते हैं. दिस इज कॉमन एंड दिस इज करस्पॉन्डिंग. सो आई विल राइट ए टेस्ट, बराबर ना. सो आई विल राइट इन ट्राइंगल, नाम क्या है पहला ट्राइंगल का? ए बी डी एंड ट्राइंगल जी डी, बराबर ना. फर्स्ट एंगल ए बी डी इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू जी डी. रीजन करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स, और एक एंगल कॉमन है. नाम क्या है एंगल का? वो एंगल ADB और GDE. एंगल ADB और GDE, these are common angles. Okay, so AA, therefore triangle ADB is similar to triangle GDE by AA test. Which test? AA test. Triangles are similar and area what is given? So by toast. Theorem of areas of similar triangles. क्या बोलता है toast? Area of triangle ADB upon area of triangle GDE is equal to square of the corresponding side. क्या आएगा? AD square upon GD square. AD square upon GD square, बराबर है. सो AD और GD का रेशियो दिया है हाँ एक्चुअली जीडी और एडी का रेशियो निकाला है ना मैंने, तो इसको उल्टा कर दूं क्या? सो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल जीडी अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल एडीबी इज इक्वल टू जीडी स्क्वायर अपॉन एडी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1 स्क्वायर अपॉन 3 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 9. 1 upon 9 from 1. This is 2. This is 2. Is this clear? First step is clear. Similarity toast. Similarity toast. How many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Same 7 steps on this side. Same ना? ये साइड पे भी तो वही पैरेलल था, ये साइड भी पैरेलल ही दिया है ना. So this angle is congruent to this angle. बराबर है. सो आई विल राइट इन ट्राइंगल ए सी डी, पहले छोटा ले लू क्या? जी एफ डी एंड ट्राइंगल ए सी डी. बराबर, दो ट्राइंगल. ओके, पहला एंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल जी एफ डी इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू एंगल ए सी डी. रीजन corresponding angles and one angle is common. Angle GDF is congruent to ADC. Reason Kuman angle. Therefore, which test? Triangle GFD is similar to triangle ACD by A test. Therefore by toast, क्या है toast? Area of triangle GFD upon area of triangle ACD is equal to square of the corresponding side GD AD. GD square upon AD square. GD square upon AD square कितना आया था? 1 square upon 3 square, that is 1 upon 9 dash 2. From 1 and 2 सेम है, देखो ना, सेम है. dash 3 sorry. So from 2 and 3 सेम है. So area of triangle GD upon area of triangle ADB is equal to area of triangle GFD upon area of triangle ACD is equal to 1 upon 9. All are equal, yes or no? Yes. इसका एरिया का रेशियो 1 upon 9, इसका एरिया का रेशियो 1 upon 9. So both area ratio is equal. बट तुमको ये नहीं चाहिए, GD नहीं चाहिए, GFD नहीं चाहिए. बराबर ना? GD GFD नहीं चाहिए ना, तुमको दोनों को ऐड करके GEF चाहिए. और तुमको ADB और ADC भी नहीं चाहिए, दोनों को ऐड करके ABC चाहिए. तो क्या हम रेशियोज को ऐड कर सकते हैं? क्या हम रेशियो को ऐड कर सकते हैं? कौन सा थ्योरम? थ्योरम ऑन इक्वल. थ्योरम ऑन, सो बाय थ्योरम ऑन इक्वल रेशियोज आई विल राइट एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल GD प्लस एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल GFD अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ADB plus area of triangle ACD is equal to 1 upon 9 is equal to theorem of equal ratios says that we can add any ratio. add कर सकते हैं. बराबर है. so GD और GFD को add करेंगे तो क्या मिल जाएगा? GEF मिल जाएगा. और ADB और ADC को add करेंगे तो बड़ा ट्राइंगल मिल जाएगा, ABC मिल जाएगा is equal to 1 upon 9. area addition प्रॉपर्टी, एरिया एडिशन प्रॉपर्टी, शायद यही फाइंड कर.